Hello, Sushan.
Hello, Errol.
Hello, Mumbai.
Yeah, I'm at Dharamshala right now, the
Yeah.
place of,
Oh, really?
yeah,
Nice. Nice. Thank you for accepting to share your journey with others.
it's completely
And
my pleasure.
and let's start by asking some questions to you. How did Psyche
Yes.
find you? I mean, can you share us your beautiful story of coming across with Psyche along your journey?
Yes, so basically, I have been a healer and therapist since more than 10 years, and I have been using multiple techniques like this EFT, hypnotherapy, neuro linguistic programming, meditation, and affirmations, and different techniques to work on the unconscious blocks. But I read about Psyche in many books. The very first contact was when I had seen Dr. Bruce Lipton's video on YouTube. When I was searching for subconscious programming, the video appeared, and I had seen that's a short video, I think some 6 to 7 minutes video. And then I Googled it, found everything, and then I got to know that you are conducting it in India. So I jumped into the batch without doing much more research about it. And yeah, after the course, I found it more beyond my expectations. Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. So what is Psyche for you? How can you define Psyche?
Psyche for me is basically, a method to connect with your own self. Because when we say
Mm,
our goals, our distress balances, it's all about our definition of the self.
beautiful,
When I say
beautiful,
I want to
beautiful.
be rich, the day I become rich, I say I am rich. Correct? So
Hmm.
that's what Psyche is basically a method to reconnect with your deeper inner self in a much more healthy, easiest, and the most simplest way. This I want to emphasize on this point because Psyche has been the simplest method I have come across among all the modalities that I practice.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Sushan. What has changed in your life? Maybe in different aspects of your life, spiritually, physically, emotionally, mind-wise, life-wise. What did Psyche help you to change in your journey?
Yes. So after Psyche, basically, I found there was a much more increased sense of clarity because being a practitioner of around 46 plus modalities, sometimes it used to be confusing which one to use
Hmm.
for which client. Once I did Psyche and I did the balance for it, then I found immediately I'm able to use it in a much more simpler way, and the clarity is amazing. I'm able to come to the solution within seconds, and it works like magic for everyone. And
Wow.
most probably in all the cases, almost all the cases, wherever there is a distressful situation or a person wants to achieve certain goals, and they want something which is rich, which is simple, which doesn't involve a lot of drama, I choose
Hmm.
Psyche. I
Ah,
choose
beautiful,
Psyche in all those situations. And
beautiful.
in my life, I would say uh, it has been amazing. Basically, I was in a relationship with a girl, and when I did one Psyche balance, I remember it went on a little bit long, like around 20 minutes plus. But just that one Psyche balance, the moment I did, it was completely 360-degree transformation in our relationship. And today I'm married to her. And
180. 360 is the same point again. It's
no,
180.
means 180, 180, I would say.
180. Yeah.
So, yeah. So that
Yeah.
was a shift. And today we are married.
Wow.
We are enjoying a very happy married life. I did a lot of
Wow.
balances. I
Beautiful
lost
story.
my, yes, when I did the workshop, I was working. And I
Uh,
lost my job in COVID on 5th August 2020. I did Psyche balance for a certain income goal. And to my imagination, my very first income, my income in the month of August, when I lost the job, my
mhm.
income was more than my CTC, just 1 month income.
Wow.
It was beyond what I used to earn in 1 year from my job. So
Beautiful.
yeah, so
Beautiful.
these were the few of, I can talk on it for 1 hour, but
Yeah, I
we
know.
have limitation of
We only
time.
have 15 minutes, not to bore
Yes,
people, but I mean, this is a beautiful story. Thank you for
yes.
sharing it. I mean, did you have any hesitations when you heard about the course? How did the course meet up with your expectations?
I didn't had any hesitations as such, but yeah, so no, I didn't had any hesitation because I am a learner by heart. So I love exploring new things, and yes, no hesitations. I just
And
went ahead with the course.
since you were working with some other transformational modalities, you might be familiar with the field, but some people really think that, oh my God, is it really possible to do it like in 15 minutes, in 20 minutes? That's why I'm asking this question. But yeah, I
Yeah,
mean,
so
beautiful.
for the timing, for the 15-minute, I had hesitation like, how come in 15 minutes? I
Yeah.
am, yeah, I am working for sessions and sessions, 10 session, 20 session, 30 session on one issue of different modalities, and then people are finding result. Sometimes they get in 5 session also, but within 15 minute or 1 hour session, significant transformation. Yes, that was
Beautiful.
something really amazing.
Beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful, beautiful. Are there still some other things that you're willing to work on? Still some things that hasn't changed? Do you have anything?
I won't say that they are not changed. They have changed, but still, I think I need to work more on few things. So the change that I was expecting, it has came.
Uh-huh.
However, I need to go more. And in certain things, I did the balance. So it changed. It moved from point A to point B, but I wanted to reach the point C. So it's still in
Okay.
progress.
Still
Yes.
improvements that are there.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Correct.
Yeah. As we heard that you are working with people professionally in this field,
Yes.
like under this video, your contact details will be shared for those who are willing to contact you for sessions or so. Well, thank you. This was a beautiful story to hear, and I'm really feeling an exuberating bliss when I hear these stories who attends to my workshops. Thank you for taking the step forward
Yes.
and
It's
and,
all
and learning
completely
and
my
working
pleasure,
there.
Ralph.
Yeah,
And it was completely my pleasure, and it was biggest blessings of my life to have connected with Psyche and having conducted your workshop. Yeah, I'm looking
beautiful.
forward to further levels.
Yes, we will have it hopefully as soon as this pandemic confusion releases a bit. I'm planning for the
Yes,
beginning of 2022 to be there again. I miss India so much. Thank you,
yeah,
Sushan. It was so
thank
nice
you.
to see you again, and we'll be together again
Yes,
very
sure,
soon. All
looking
right.
forward.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you,
Bye
thank
bye.
you very
Bye
much. Bye bye.
bye. Bye.